Delicious breakfast recipe loaded with cheese, which you can prepare within 5 minutes. You'll enjoy the taste of omelette and pizza both in this recipe. Very simple to prepare. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special cheesy bread omelette. Heat up the pan, drop 1 teaspoon of ghee. You can use butter as well. Place a bread slice, fry the bread till it gets golden color. When bread slice turn to golden color, apply 1 more teaspoon of ghee on top. Rotate and fry the bread till it gets golden color from another side as well. For this recipe, I am using 3 bread slices. When all the bread slices are ready, take 1 small onion, 5 garlic cloves, 1 big green chilli and 3 eggs. Now chop very finely onion, garlic and green chilli. After chopping, drop them in a mixing bowl and take roasted bread slices. Now cut these bread slices into 1-inch cubes. Now break 3 eggs in onion bowl. Add salt to taste and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix well with the whisk or fork. Now heat up the pan on low flame. Apply 1 teaspoon of ghee. Drop the egg mixture. Adjust the mixture evenly. Now drop the bread cubes, which we cut earlier. Spread them evenly all over the omelette. After spreading the bread cubes, take 200 grams of mozzarella cheese and grate on top of the bread. If you have readily grated mozzarella cheese, you can use it. Now cover and cook for about 3 minutes. That's it. After 3 minutes, our delicious omelette pizza is ready. It's very simple, right? When you have less time and hurry for office and want to eat tasty breakfast, this pizza omelette is best suitable. Try it. I'm sure you will decently love it.